AG, SOG, Patriots dan juga Rina Haim. Silakan duduk. Tepukan untuk mereka guys.
Especially thanks to the red jumpsuit apparatus. Nadine is here, flying from the States. Yeah, thank you so much. We have next to him the Patriots, Ain, and also we have SOG. Thank you, and Rina. Thank you, OAG, thank you so much. Yeah, we have No Time for Silence, and then we have Jamson. I'm not sure where they are now, and then we also have. I think Malaysia deserves a very good metal and rock festival because we are so engaged. We need to bring all our talents together with the international acts. We give the biggest experience to all our fans. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting.
Sam. Yes, dipersilakan duduk. Metaverse dari Vox Nation Live. Yes. Sekali lagi nak ingatkan kepada anda, daripada jam 3 petang sampai 12.30 malam, 2 hari kita bawakan kepada anda, 30 April dan juga 1 Mei, Khamis dan Jumaat hari ini. Alright, jom kita teruskan ke agenda seterusnya untuk signing ceremony. Untuk majlis tanda tangan, kita silakan kita punya CEO Mr. Sean Chang daripada Vox Nation Live. Okey, sekali lagi bagi nampak dulu. Alright. Okay, sign. Okay, daripada the Patriots, daripada the. Okay, baik, kita ambil sign SOG, Bang Face dan juga OAG. Yeah. Kita siap belacan.
Hiburan. Okay, soalan kepada Mr. Sean lah. Apa yang membuatkan you terfikir untuk mengadakan konsert Metaverse ini? Macam mana you tercetusnya idea untuk adakan festival muzik ini?
Okay. Yeah, no, I think I always think that Malaysia, right? We have a lot of talents, right? I mean, across the whole genres. And then, especially, I think it's the rock is the one that I think the majorities in our countries from our beloved Malays is very good in rock. These talents. So, and then I think that we always have this the local concerts that presenting local talents, but now I think it is time to give the whole this Malaysia an experience that I think Malaysians that deserve to have. There is all our local talents, add in those the Western acts like the red jumpsuit apparatus. I think it will be an amazing experience that we can bring to the whole Malaysia, the whole spectrum. Yeah.
Hi, Mr. John. Soalan untuk Mr. John. Saya nak tanya, untuk pemilihan artis ni kan, kalau kita tengok artis ni banyak main dekat festival yang lain, tiba-tiba Mr. John berminat untuk panggil dia orang pula. Macam SOG baru masa ke konspirasi baru saja dia orang punya sambut ulang tahun. So Mr. John buat pula dengan untuk konsert ni. So boleh komen sikit Mr. John.
Okay, the choice of the band. Macam mana you pilih?
Yeah, how I choose the bands, right? No, yeah. So I think 100%. I think all the bands I think that's available in the market are all very good. The way that I choose the whole of these 16 or 20 acts are really based on how they perform on stage. I think these are all the bands that I respect because they give 100% when they perform. I think this is the one that I think, as I said, we have never had this the opportunity for the Malaysian fans to experience this the good vibes of our rock talent. So now when we have this platform, I just want to make sure we give the best. So I am choosing all the best talents that could really perform in front or on the stage. And then I hope that this, it's a way for us to say thank you to everyone, because this is our first edition, and I hope that we have a chance to do the edisi nombor 2, ya. Thank you so much.
Edisi 2, 3, 4, 5 dan seterusnya.
Thank you, OIG.
Okay.
Saya nak tanya, selalunya kalau konsert di Malaysia ni buat hari Sabtu Ahad, kenapa buat hari kerja? Terpaksa lah orang Pontian kerja pula nanti. Adakah tiketnya berapa harga dan adakah setiap artis tu berapa lama dia perform?
I think that's a very interesting questions, and also I think it's a fact. The thing is that when we talk about metaverse, I think a few of our local artists and also international acts, we experience this. When we talk about metaverse first edition, we try to bring this to, just now as I mentioned, I want to bring the experience to the Malaysians, and I think the one that that's always been overlooked is in the East Malaysia. So I wanted to bring this thing to East Malaysia. So a few of the bands here on stage, and then those the Western bands, they already engaged with us. The problem for that is that we were doing Saturday and Sunday. The problem for that is that we were notified by the Sarawak government that because of SEA Games, they need to take back the stadiums that we book. So we were forced to bring back this the metaverse to KL, and then we make it the even bigger version. So we make sure this is the best and the best, and also the one that we can bring the best experience to the whole Malaysians. Not even now is to only the East Malaysia. So because we are back to KL, the whole the whole lineup has been extended, but there's only one challenge. A lot of venues have been booked. Yeah. It's not that we don't want to do Saturday and Sunday. We want it. So, but it's not the end of the world, because why? It's still Thursday and Friday. Friday is a holiday. Yeah? It's a public holiday. So I think that 1st of May, yes. Yeah, exactly.
So by the way, it's holiday lah.
Yeah.
The night before the concert is at night, right?
Correct.
30th, so it's better to be lah.
Yeah, but the 30th we start at I think 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. But Friday we try to start at maybe 2, so that we can get even more bands to join us, to join the lineup. Yeah. So anyway, so that is the reason. I think a lot of these bands like No Time for Silence, SOG, thank you so much, Patriot, and Rina Hime, and then they're all amazing. They were following us to Kuching. I was so worried that they would say, no, Sean, we are not going to do in KL, but thank you so much. And also, that's the reason I met this great friend from the Red Jumpsuit Apparatus. Then they promised to join our first edition. Yeah. But thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Alright. Thank you, Mr. Sean. Another question daripada kita punya tim media, silakan. Adakah semua kumpulan akan mempersembahkan untuk 2 hari? The
2 hari? Yeah.
The same band for 2 days.
Oh no. It's going to be like day 1 we have 8 bands already lined up. The second day we are thinking to do like 8 to 10 because it's a Friday, it's a public holiday. We try to give more to the fans. So but at minimum 8 on day 1, minimum 8 on day 2. That's all I can say. But they are all different bands. Yeah.
What is the duration for every band to perform? Duration,
yeah, okay. I think we have 2 bands that they are our guest artists. They only perform 30 minutes. So they are our guest artists. Other than that, all the bands either 45 minutes or 1 hour. I think all the Western bands they are giving 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour minimum.
Okey, soalan juga untuk band members yang lain. Dalam masa 30 minit tu, mungkin kita boleh tanya Abang Hadi ke ataupun daripada SOG ke, daripada Bang Fiz ke. Dalam 30 minit tu berapa lagu yang akan dipersembahkan dan lagu-lagu apa dalam list masing-masing? Aha. Tinggal kira. Silakan Abang Hadi. Abang Hadi juga siapa-siapa? Yes, SOG.
For slot SOG, 1 hour is it? Alright, SOG is going to be 1 hour performance, so kita orang akan perform like 30-40 lagu. Tak tahu, tak kira. Tapi kita tak akan banyak cakap lah. Kita perform, mash up semuanya. Macam DJ set pula kan. How about you guys?
Yes, silakan.
I think for the bands, it's sebab this is like a metal show, right? So it's different. Some bands dia ada lagu yang lebih panjang, lebih pendek. But to answer the question, logically it's around 13 songs, right? Tak payah cakap lah, tak payah cakap.
10 lah, 10-15 lah, 20 lah. Tapi boleh 10 tapi buat mashup lah.
Comment shop Okay, yes silakan.
Yeah, Red Jumpsuit, we'll be doing a full headlining set. I think it's mark the 20-year anniversary for our band and our first record. So we're going to be coming a long way away from Florida, and I think we want to play all the hits and maybe a couple of new songs, but we'll focus on the hits.
Thank you.
Alright, baik. Okay, daripada Abang Hadi.
Saya 30 minit. Kalau tak bercakap mungkin 15 lah. Kalau bercakap, kalau banyak cakap mungkin dalam 5 lagu kot. Something like that lah, but we're gonna like perform je all the way 30 minit insyaAllah, maybe to 10 to 15 songs insyaAllah, new and old songs. How about you Rime? Rime pula. Hime. Hime.
Okay, for my set, I think it will be around to 10 to 12 songs. Kalau I don't really talk much, then about 10, 12 songs ke macam tu lah. Yeah.
Okay, alright, last one. That's it.
For 1 hour, right? No, for saya it's half hour. So for half hour, I think will be 7 to 8 songs, because our song is quite short. Yeah, then we talk a lot lah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, baik.
Nak kerja lah.
Alright, okay, baik. Terima kasih semua. Sekarang